Now, Kyle Speedy Gregg and co-driver Marcia Dawes joined an elite group of drivers to win the Rally Jamaica back-to-back, capturing the Richard Stewart Memorial Trophy, beating Thomas Hall and James Leckler over 2 days on the True Juice property in Bogwalk recently.
Longer and straighter stages meant more consistent speed, and at the first stage, defending champion Kyle Gregg and Marcia Dawes lost to the pair of Thomas Hall and James Leckler by 0.03 of a second. From there on, Gregg and Dawes, driving their Evolution 9, took full control of the next 11 stages, winning 8, leading day 1 with 49 minutes and 28 seconds, ahead of Timothy Stewart and co-driver Stephen Gunter, who posted 51 minutes and 28 seconds, also winning Evolution 9. Hall and Leckler fell to third with 51 minutes and 32 seconds after losing their front windshield. Meanwhile, reigning champion Bobby Marshall and co-driver Marcel Brandon took full control of the front-wheel driver class, winning 9 of the 12 stages to finish day 1 with 58 minutes and 44 seconds. Rainer King and Ramesses McGregor won the first 2 stages, but fell to second, trailing Marshall and Brandon by a minute. On day 2, Gregg and Dawes, having a 2-minute lead, approached the famous water splash basically at a walk, but Stewart and Gunter splashed through as they tried to cut the lead. But it was Hall and Leckler who proved to be the fastest throughout the stage, winning all 5. The 6 Whitfield-long stages were the most competitive for the top 3 teams, as Hall and Leckler won 3, while Gregg and Dawes shared the next 3 with Stewart and Gunter. After 22 stages covering 159 kilometers, Gregg and Dawes posted 1 hour 49 minutes and 12 seconds to join Gregg's dad Gary and co-driver Hugh Hutchinson, along with Jeffrey Panton and Mike Fennell Jr. to win Rally Jamaica back-to-back.
It's truly a great feeling. I didn't expect to win this year because the level of competition was so good, but we kept our composure from day 1 and basically maintained the pace for day 2. Definitely Marcia, she did a fantastic job in the navigating seat, and it shows that we set the bar at this sport.
Hall and Leckler, who received the Day 2 trophy, were runners-up 1 minute and 31 seconds adrift. Marshall and Brandon regained the 2-wheel drive class, posting 2 hours 5 minutes and 49 seconds, finishing 2 minutes ahead of King and McGregor. Only 7 of the 12 competitors completed the 2-day dirt rally. I am Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.